In the staffing world, there are three numbers that determine whether you're running a successful business or just doing busy work. Those numbers are the pay rate, the bill rate, and the margin. If you get these wrong, you're not just losing commission, you're potentially losing your company money. But if you master what we call the staffing triangle, you can negotiate better with candidates, provide clearer quotes to clients, and maximize your profit. Today, we're stripping away the jargon and showing you exactly how the math works and why that $25 spread between your bill and pay rates isn't actually $25 in profit. Let's start with the essential definitions. Number one, the pay rate. This is the hourly wage the worker actually sees on their paycheck. If you tell a candidate they're making $40 an hour, that is your pay rate. Number two, the bill rate. This is what you invoice the client. If you charge the company $65 an hour for that same worker, that's your bill rate. And number three, the gross margin. In its simplest form, this is the difference between what you bill and what you pay. However, here is where most people make a rookie mistake. They think 65 minus 40 equals $25 of pure profit. It doesn't. Before a staffing agency sees a penny of profit, they have to pay the statutory burden, often called the payroll burden or the loaded cost. When you hire a contractor, your agency has to pay more than just their wage. You have mandatory costs like FICA and FUTA, which are Social Security, Medicare, and federal unemployment taxes, SUTA, which are state specific unemployment taxes, workers' compensation, the insurance that varies depending on whether the worker is in an office or on a construction site. And finally, benefits like health insurance, 401k matches, and paid time off. In the industry, this burden usually ranges from 15% to 25% of the pay rate. Let's look at the math. If the pay rate is $40 and your burden is 20%, your actual cost, your break even point, is $48. If you bill $65, your true spread is 65 minus 48, which equals $17 per hour. That $17 has to cover your office rent, your recruiter's salaries, and finally, your net profit. Clients and agencies often speak two different languages, markup and margin. You need to know both to avoid expensive misunderstandings. The markup is a percentage based on the pay rate. The formula is bill divided by pay minus 1. For example, 65 divided by 40 equals 1.625. That is a 62.5% markup. The gross margin is a percentage based on the bill rate. The formula is bill minus pay divided by the bill. For example, 65 minus 40 divided by 65 equals 0.384. That is a 38.4% margin. Why does this distinction matter? Because if a client says, I want a 20% markup, and you accidentally calculate for a 20% margin, you are going to significantly overprice yourself and lose the deal. Conversely, if you agree to a 20% margin when you actually meant markup, you might not even cover your burden. Mastering these calculations transforms your role. Instead of just matching resumes to jobs, you become a business consultant. You gain the ability to explain to a client exactly why a specific bill rate is required to maintain quality and compliance, or why a candidate's salary expectations might make a deal impossible. Understanding the staffing triangle is the difference between a recruiter who survives and a recruiter who thrives. Thanks for watching and keep these numbers in mind the next time you're negotiating your next placement.